Are your employees equipped to handle real-world challenges, or just trained to pass an assessment? In today's industries, knowledge alone isn't enough. What if training could let employees experiment, make decisions, and learn from experience, without the risk? That's the power of experiential learning. Experiential learning is transforming how industries like pharma, manufacturing, and IT and software train their employees. It's not just about knowing, it's about doing, reflecting, and improving through real-world practice. Experiential learning connects theory to practice. Employees don't just listen or read, they experience, reflect, and apply what they've learned to real-world situations. When people experience what they're learning, they remember it longer and apply it better. It turns passive training into active learning, and that's where real skill development happens. In the pharmaceutical industry, experiential learning allows employees to simulate lab procedures, quality control tasks, and compliance scenarios, all without real-world risks. It's safe practice that leads to perfect precision. In manufacturing, employees train using digital twins, virtual factories, and gamified safety drills. They can practice machine handling and troubleshoot problems, all before stepping onto the floor. It's efficient, measurable, and effective. In IT and software, experiential learning means coding in virtual sandboxes, solving simulated incidents, and managing digital projects in real time. It builds technical skills and leadership at the same time. Across industries, experiential learning drives higher engagement, boosts retention, and improves job performance. It's not just about completing a course, it's about being truly job-ready from day one. When employees learn by doing, they don't just understand, they perform. Experiential learning turns training into transformation.